Guys, alright, there's the blooming car sitting there all lonely, worse for wear, bonnet up, still haven't done the wing, haven't done the wheels, haven't cleaned it, haven't done anything. Got to get a light for the back, haven't done that yet either. Right, I'll tell you why. It's even got cobwebs all over it, it's just sitting there on the drive doing nothing. Right, let's get in here. How's it going, everyone? Right, update, okay? I bought that Seat, obviously for a brilliant price, 500 quid. And I've tried everything. I've basically put a scan tool on it, maxi die one, decent one. And it's come up with not a single bloody fault, which is very, very frustrating and annoying me. So I've looked at online and looked at a few little pieces, few bits of play. Get my words out, sorry. Right. Yeah, so obviously this Volkswagen specialist garage, I've told him all the told him everything basically what's wrong with the car, and even he's totally consumped because he doesn't understand. He obviously told me all the little ideas that I could do, which I've done. I've took the DPF off to see if that was blocked. That's not. Checked the injectors, they're all running fine. Checked the EGR valve, that's all moving around that I can see. Turbo's spooling up all nicely. What else was there? Airflow mass is all fine. It just doesn't make sense why it doesn't work, and even they're a bit confused with why it's got no engine code or nothing. And I know the engine light works because I've tested that. There's literally just no engine codes whatsoever, which is very annoying now. So all they do is obviously they're VW specialists, so they just look up everything and spend a few hours trying to do it, which is probably going to cost me a lot of money. But at the end of the day, you know, it costs £1,000 extra, I think 1,500 quid. So I could still flip this for about two grand, 2.6 or something. So it's still a bit of tidy profit. Obviously, I don't want to scrap it because I'm not that sort of person. I like to fix the cars and actually get them back on the road again, because that frustrates the hell out of me when people scrap them for stupid reasons. That, you know, spend a bit of money and a bit of time, you can actually get a good car out of them. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe and show your mates and whatever else, because for some reason I've got about 89% of people that haven't even subscribed to my channel. And the other 11 is obviously just watching it and not subscribing, which is a bit annoying. But obviously, maybe I'm not very good at this. I don't know. But if you can all help anyway, it makes a big difference. And obviously, the more I use the camera, the more confidence I get. So what else? Yeah. So if you can like and subscribe, that'd be brilliant. My views are slowly coming up, which is quite good. But obviously, my subscribers are really sucky. I've only got about 108 or something. And people doing similar to this have got over 1,000, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe it's just me, maybe it's the content. If you like any of the content, let me know, and tell me what else you want to know about anything, obviously about car trading and God knows what, because I can give you whatever information you want. Yeah, it's just obviously it's 3 weeks now, it hasn't had a video, so it's really frustrating me because this place is fully booked. It's a very good place, so I'm hoping they will sort this car out, because I haven't got a clue what it can even be. And they've spoke to me, and even they don't even know or they've told me all the common problems, and basically none of these are any of the common problems what's going on with this car, which just does not make a tiny bit of freaking sense to me at all. But anyway, speak to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.